Jens, what do you think is the share of traditional monolithic enterprise applications versus microservice-based applications when you look at your customer base?
I would say like 10-1 or something like this. So it really depends on the customer. If it's like a traditional enterprise customer, then the microservices is still rather limited, and they deal primarily with legacy applications that we now would call legacy, that were modern like maybe 10 years ago or something. And of course, like for anything that is newly built, microservices and containers and that stuff is massively on the rise.
And our prediction for 2018 exactly addresses this problem. We've seen more and more PowerPoint solutions at this point that manage jointly microservices and monolithic applications. And there's many ways of doing that, because you don't have to modernize every existing application. You can get creative. You can put an API gateway in front of something and make the data available. You can add microservices capabilities to that applications, but you don't really have to rewrite it, or you can just leave it alone if it doesn't cause problems, right?
Right, definitely. So but the vendors, the container vendors, or the classical enterprise vendors like VMware, they're providing more and more tools in order to migrate these apps and applications to more modern architectures. And
this is a huge opportunity for VMware. They have just launched PKS, Pivotal Container Service. When they are truly uniquely positioned. There's no two opinions on this, I believe, because they're just everywhere in the data center. And if they can manage to turn PKS into something that developers will want to use, and the user experience, create the user experience so that people don't walk away from it, but embrace it, then they're the only ones who really can say, we manage everything from the last VM in your data center to containers to PaaS with Pivotal Cloud Foundation. So it's a great opportunity, right? Others say, they're not going to be able to do it because other container management platforms are already too mature, but I wouldn't underestimate VMware's potential there.
No, I think they're uniquely positioned, and if they play it right, then this can be a huge success, especially like in combination with all the other stuff that they have going on, like network virtualization and micro segmentation, etc. So that's a big deal.
Absolutely. Thank you.